Hello everyone, it's almost 12 midnight here and I'm by myself waiting for my train kasi nga alam mo na iwanan ako ng unang train and then I need to take the next one and it will arrive exactly 2 minutes before 12 and it will take roughly more or less 30 minutes before I arrive home. So I thought I record myself and talk to you guys directly for just a very noticeable occurrence, no? Or occurrence sa Senado kasi. Did you know na since naging Senate President si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, hindi pa po give up yung office ng Senate President. Yes, you heard it right. Hindi po nila give up hanggang ginawa nila yung June 3rd na is what a lot of people categorize as usurpation of office, power, yung ganon. And clearly, there's a lot of differing views in as far as what transpired. Pero alam mo naman, sinasabi talaga ng iba na majority na daw kuno sila kahit hindi naman sila 13. Pero yeah, they're still going about the how to say that, their version of reality na sila talaga ay legit and valid yung nangyari sa June 3. Well, as a person who actually follows what's happening to my country, doing my bit as a Filipino, I actually think it's a bit shameful na even just the fact na naging naging elected as Senate President na si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, hindi pa rin nila give up yung office. Why are you clinging to that particular office, sir? Why aren't you vacating the office for Senator Alan Peter Cayetano to occupy that, which is basically the legitimate Senate President and the legitimate Senate pro tempore is Senator Lauren Legarda. Natatawa talaga ako sa political theatrics na nangyari sa Senado natin. Which, by the way, mas nakakatawa pa nga kasi BBM is also trying to meddle Bisaya, my accent or pronunciation is not good, not perfect, but it's okay. He's trying to meddle in what seemed to be a very internal matter ng co-equal branch, the legislative, particularly the Senate. BBM, for the life of me, please do not try to put your fingers where it doesn't belong. Please just focus on your job. Or are you even focusing since day one? I'm not sure. Highly questionable, but yeah. Hi. Funny times and tough times are indeed happening in my country. And while waiting for my train, I can't help but just read, scroll from all of the other things that's written in the internet and trying to have my own discernment. At the end of the day, I just wanted to say these things. Mataas na masyado yung video, but do not ever blink, mga kababayan. Let us keep our focus and our time and attention. Give a little para sa bayan. Hanggang sa dulo, lalaban tayo, guys. We need to. We don't have any option. It is our duty as a Filipino. Yun lang po. Mahal ko kayong lahat. Magandang umaga, magandang gabi. Stay safe, lalong-lalo na sa Mindanao na naapektuhan ng earthquake. I feel sorry for those who actually lost their family, relatives, friends in such a very tragic situation. You are all in my heart and I pray for all of you. Hanggang sa dulo, ilaban natin ito.